Ready?
Nicely done.
That was sweet.
Ready?
And you're always going to be always such a catch.
All right.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. All right.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That didn't even move. Okay, so cross that line.
Man, they're getting this one.
I think this one's a little bit easier.
This is a nice table to be on.
Turn.
You have to move the
This is awesome.
because it wasn't placed right, and that meant
Now pick it up.
that
All right.
Okay, they've done all of them. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's a record.
Just
That's
look
a
at them.
record.
How are they positioning, Abby? You want to see how they're positioning? Yeah, I know. Just you have to wing it. Okay. Just stay on your line.
The wheat. There should be wheat.
the wheat doesn't go in there, the bread does.
All right. Why?
Oh, that's bread.
Come on.
Come on, come on,
Grain
come on,
is-
come on,
Come on. Yes.
Oh, no.
Send.
Yeah, but the wheels have to be on the ground. They don't?
It's only the ambulance. The truck can be on the
Ambulance
side.
can.
Oh, ambulance has to be on the side?
Yeah, no, the ambulance has to be on its wheels, but the
Okay.
So now let's put the third
All right.
To it here for a little bit, this is going to stick.
No, it is good.
1 minute, 7 seconds. Wow, they've got good timing. It's moving.
Amelia, Aiden, you will have a net, another go. Get ready.
Awesome.
You may have time.
Okay, go, Heather, pay attention.
Heather, pay attention. 53 seconds. 50 seconds.
Whatever went wrong, you can try. You tell me what you want to try. Okay.
2.
42 seconds. There's plenty of time.
42 seconds.
All right. Awesome.
All right.